Ciao, we are Jenn and Matt, and we just bought an old 31-room abandoned palazzo on the slopes of Mount Etna. That's right, a volcano, in the town of Piedemonte Etneo. We didn't set out to buy a palazzo, but when we saw the beautiful ceilings and the hidden garden and the fantastic views, we fell in love with her, and little by little, we are renovating the whole house, which includes our little attached guest house, 9 rooms on the ground floor, or the piano terra, 2 outside rooms that will become a ceramic studio and office space, also 2 beautiful terraces, and the piano nobile, or the main floor, with all of its painted ceilings and antique floors. We're going to share every step of the journey, good and bad, and we would love to have you join us.